How to communicate with creditors when you miss an EMI. Do you know that one well-crafted conversation with your lender could prevent months of stress, harassment, or even legal action? In fact, financial experts are now advising Indian borrowers to proactively communicate with creditors as a first line of defense when you miss an EMI payment. Timely and respectful dialogue, when done right, can lead to revised payment terms, waived penalties, and peace of mind. But most borrowers either wait too long or simply don't know how to speak to their lenders when they're struggling. That's where this guide comes in. Let's delve into how to talk to creditors, maintain your dignity, and explore solutions that don't involve courtroom drama or mental breakdowns. Why communication is your first and best tool. Debt becomes dangerous not just because of numbers, but because of silence. When you avoid communication, creditors assume you're dodging responsibility. That's when calls become aggressive, interest piles up, and recovery agents enter the scene. Instead, a calm, honest, and proactive message can create breathing room. It shows lenders that you care about your obligations, you're facing genuine hardship, you want to resolve the issue respectfully. Whether it's a credit card, personal loan, or BNPL app, most creditors in India are open to alternative arrangements, but only if you initiate the conversation. A real-life example. When a call saved a credit score Neeraj, a 34-year-old IT engineer from Hyderabad, lost his job during a company downsizing. He had 2.8 lakh rupees in unpaid credit card bills and 4.5 lakh rupees in personal loans. EMI defaults triggered a barrage of collection calls, and he was on the verge of a breakdown. Instead of avoiding the situation, Neeraj used a simple email template similar to the one we'll share below, explained his circumstances, and requested a moratorium period of 90 days. One lender agreed to freeze interest. Another offered a restructured EMI plan. He later partnered with Single Debt, who helped consolidate his debt into one affordable payment plan, redirected all creditor calls to their paralegal team, and legally handled a bounced check issue. Today, he's repaying stress-free, with his dignity and CIBIL score intact. How to talk to creditors? Tone and timing matter. Here's the golden rule. Be honest, be early, be respectful. That one phone call or email can change everything. Key tips to negotiate with lenders in India: reach out before your EMI bounces or within days of a missed payment. Explain your situation clearly but briefly. Job loss, illness, business slump. Request specific relief, extension, reducer EMI, no penalty delay. Use a calm, firm, and polite tone. Keep records of all communication, emails, screenshots, call logs. Sample email. Template, requesting a payment extension. Subject, request for temporary EMI relief due to medical emergency. Dear lender's name, I hope this message finds you well. I'm writing to inform you that due to an unexpected medical emergency in my family, I'm currently facing short-term financial hardship. I would like to request a temporary pause or reduction in my monthly EMI for the next 60 days. I value my relationship with bank institution name and fully intend to resume regular payments as soon as my situation stabilizes. I kindly request your support and understanding during this time. Please let me know if we can explore any temporary relief options or restructuring arrangements. Thank you for your time and consideration. Warm regards. Your full name, loan account number, contact information, phone call with the lender creditor. Hello, you've missed your EMI. How do you plan to pay? Good morning. Yes, I'm aware. I lost my job last month and I'm actively looking for work. I don't want to default, I'm just asking for a short pause in payments or lower EMIs for 60 to 90 days. Can we discuss a temporary solution? If the creditor is aggressive or uncooperative, you can say, I'm in touch with a legal debt advisory firm and I'm exploring formal options. I hope we can work this out mutually. This shows them that you're not helpless and you're not alone. Why so many borrowers struggle to speak up? In India, debt is still seen as something shameful. Borrowers often suffer in silence thinking, what if they say no? I don't have legal knowledge. It's too late to fix this. But here's the truth. It's never too late to ask for help. Silence fuels harassment. Communication opens doors. When talking isn't enough, let single debt handle your situation. Sometimes, no matter how respectfully you speak, creditors refuse to listen, or worse, cross legal boundaries. That's where single debt steps in. The paralegal team takes over all calls and harassment. Their in-house advocates handle legal notices, bounced check cases, and arbitration. They consolidate all your debts into a debt management plan, DMP, one affordable.